Hello, this is Giri, teaching 10th class new maths textbook, the chapter coordinate geometry. Here are the solutions of exercise 7.1 and this is part 5 video. In this video, we will learn the solution of question number 6 from exercise 7.1. Dear students, here is the exercise 7.1 and this is question number 6. Name the type of the quadrilateral formed by the points -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2 and -3, 0. I shall repeat. Name the type of the quadrilateral formed by the points -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2 and -3, 0. Now let us solve this problem. Now in order to solve this, here we have given 4 points and we have to verify that what type of quadrilateral may be formed, that is either it is a square or it is a rectangle or it is a rhombus, that we have to find out. Now in order to check whether it is a rhombus, whether it is a square or whether it is a rectangle or not, we have to first of all we have to find the length of the sides. Okay, here let us find the length of the sides. Let us look at the solution now. Let us assume that the given points are A, B, C and D. The coordinates of A -1, -2, coordinates of B 1, 0, coordinates of C -1, 2 and the coordinates of D -3, 0. Now let us find the length of the sides, that is let us find the length of AB. Assume that the coordinates of A x1, y1 and the coordinates of B as x2, y2. Now we have the formula to find the distance between AB. AB distance is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 minus x1 means 1, minus of -1 will be +1, 1 plus 1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Y2 value is 0 and y1 value is -2. Since it is y2 minus y1, 0 minus of -2 will be +2 whole square. Now what is 1 plus 1? Yes, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square, plus what is 0 plus 2 is again 2 square. 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 is root 8. That can be written as whole root of 4 into 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 2 units. This is AB distance, or the length of the side AB is equal to 2 root 2 units. Similarly, let us find the distance between BC. BC distance. Here B coordinates 1, 0. Let us consider these values as x1, y1. And C coordinates -1, 2 may be taken as x2, y2. Now again let us write the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here in this case x2 is -1 and x1 is 1. x2 minus x1 means -1 minus 1. -1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 value is 2 and y1 value is 0, that is 2 minus 0 whole square. -1 minus 1 is -2 whole square. 2 minus 0 is +2 square. -2 whole square is 4, plus 2 square is also 4. 4 plus 4 is root over 8. 8 can be written as whole root of 4 into 2. Square root of 4 is 2 root 2 units. If you observe, you can find both these sides are equal. Now let us check the length of the other two sides also. Now the third side is CD. Now in order to find CD distance, let us consider the coordinates of C as x1, y1 and the coordinates of D x2, y2. And again CD distance, same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now you can observe x2 value is -3 and x1 value is -1. Therefore x2 minus x1 means -3 minus of minus will be +1 whole square. Similarly y2 minus y1, y2 is 0 and y1 is 2, therefore this is 0 minus 2 whole square. -3 plus 1 is -2 square, 0 minus 2 is again -2 square, -2 whole square is 4, -2 whole square is again 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 is 4 into 2, square root of 4 is 2 root 2 units. That is the third side. Now let us find the fourth side. Fourth side is DA. Now D coordinates -3, 0. They are x1, y1. and A coordinates minus 1, minus 2, take them as x2, y2. Now let us find the dA distance. dA distance, same formula, x2 minus x1 means minus 1 minus of minus 3 will be plus 3 whole square, plus y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is 0, minus 2 minus 0 whole square. Minus 1 plus 3, that is 2 square. Minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2 whole square. Plus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 2 whole square is also 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 can be written as whole square root of 4 into 2, that is 2 root 2 units. You can observe that all the four sides are equal. In this quadrilateral, all the four sides are equal. If all the four sides are equal in any quadrilateral, then what type of quadrilateral is it? Yes, good. Either it may be a rhombus or it may be a square. Now whether we have to verify or we have to check whether it is a square or whether it is a rhombus, let us find the length of the diagonals also. If the lengths of the diagonals are also equal, then it will be square, or if the lengths of the diagonals are different, then it is not a square, it is just a rhombus. Okay, good. Now let us find the diagonal. Diagonal is AC. A coordinates minus 1 minus 2, C coordinates minus 1 plus 2. Okay, now AC distance. AC distance is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 value is minus 1, minus x1 is minus of minus 1 will be plus 1 whole square. y2 minus y1 means 2 plus 2, minus of minus 2 will be plus 2 whole square. Minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 whole square, 2 plus 2 is 4 square. 0 square is 0, square root of 4 square, 4 4s are 16, 0 plus 16 is root over 16, and the square root of 16 is equal to 4 units. Good. Now let us find the second diagonal. The second diagonal is BD. B coordinates 1 0 and D coordinates minus 3 0. Consider the B coordinates as x1 y1 and D coordinates as minus 3 0. Now BD distance is x2 minus x1 whole square, that is minus 3 minus 1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 0 minus 0 square. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 whole square, 0 minus 0 is 0 square. Root over minus 4 whole square means minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus is plus, 4 4s is 16, plus 0 square is 0. Root over 16 plus 0 is root 16. Square root of 16 is again 4 units. Now if you observe all these lengths, we found that all the four sides of the quadrilateral are equal and both their diagonals are also equal in length. Good. Then how can you conclude that the quadrilateral is either a square or a rhombus? Now in order to conclude that if all the four sides are equal, then it may be either square or a rhombus, but since the diagonals are also equal, then it should be square. Good. Since AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to EA, that is all four sides are equal, and AC is equal to BD, that is their diagonals are also equal, then ABCD form a square. Is it clear, boys? Good. Now, thank you very much.